Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good, great, amazing wherever you're at. Make sure to check out my eyebrow tutorial and my other tutorials. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little, sorry, that's a loud car. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little eyeshadow quick look. And now I don't want to put a lot of foundation on my face, so I'm going to try and do as light as I can. So this is like a little eyeshadow kind of quick makeup look. So I'm going to be using the Wet n Well Impossible primer. I'm going to be getting a little bit, and it's kind of like the consistency of this primer is like silicone. Like, I'll show you guys. And I only use a little bit. And if you're using this one, be careful because it is like silicone, and once you get it out of the bottle, it's like it's gonna roll out of your hands if you don't do something about it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what I'm talking about. It's like silicone, and if I press it down, you guys can definitely see it. It's like wax, like silicone. It's weird, and you can shape it. But all you're gonna go do is like wherever you were gonna put, like I'm gonna do like an easy look for the day that you can use for interviews, that you can use for a quick dinner, and the areas where I'm gonna put concealer on, because I don't want to use full on foundation in this video. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get my concealer. I'm gonna be using the Tarte concealer, and this Tarte concealer is in light color. And I'm going to be doing a little dot there, a little there, a little here. So I'm going to be doing like dots where I know that I can see on the camera that's kind of like popping out a lot. Like I said, I don't want to wear a lot of foundation. I want to let my skin breathe a little bit. You guys are like, then what's the point? You did a lot of little circles, but it's all gonna be good. It's just for a little bit of coverage, not a lot. You're gonna be focusing more on your eyes because it's gonna be a quick look. So that's that. Leave it alone. Get your beauty blender. In this case, I have mine here. If you have setting spray, go ahead and spray it. If you have water, go ahead and run it under water a little bit and squeeze out as much as you can and use it. That's my preferred method. So now I get my beauty blender. Don't come after me because I have it dirty, but it's not dirty. It's like I literally just finished using it in the day. So I did this. I'm doing this video for you guys. So you just blend and make sure you don't go like super hard on your skin. Don't be harsh. You go light blending. Also, sometimes when you want your concealer foundation to warm up, you can use your fingers and tap it around. This will help a lot to warm it all up. And then I like going in with the beauty blender. I'm gonna go in. You can go in with a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of concealer. You can get a bronzer just to warm up your face a little bit. I'm using this blush brush because I like how it helps me blend in the contour more. I'm like doing some just to warm up your face. Another thing you can do, I'm going to show you guys using the same brush so you guys can see, is that you can get a little bit of blush. Like, don't go full on out. It's supposed to look as natural as possible, even though it's makeup. You can do a little bit of your blush. That's it. And if you don't know how to apply blush, you can just smile a little bit and then put it on your cheeks. That's it. Now that you have your eyebrows and a little bit of concealer, bronzer, and blush, we're going to go ahead and do the eyes. And I like doing the eyes either in the beginning or the end. Just depends on how I feel. There's no right order. I know a lot of people like saying, oh no, do your eyes before or do your eyes after. For me, it's one or the other. It's how I feel that day that I'm doing my makeup. I like using this highlighter brush and taking off the excess after I do my eyes, if I already did my concealer. But it just depends on you guys. So find your little way of doing it and just do it that way. After I did my face, I'm going to go ahead and use the Myra and Karina palette. And I'm going to use colors that I wanted to use in my last video. Taking the protective film off. So I'm going to be using Glam, Brownie, and Teddy. I'm going to show you guys again. Sorry, I have it all. I'm going to be using Teddy, Brownie, and Glam, and probably Nocturnal, or the Sun Garcia. So let's go ahead. I'm going to get my brush. Again, the Jaclyn Hill. You can use any brush that's fluffy or that you have in hand. I'm going to go ahead and use, actually I'm going to use Teddy. This one. And I'm going to dab it a little bit. Take the excess off. And then I'm just going to put it like in my outer corner. This is going to be like my transition shade. Another brush, and I'm going to go in with Brownie, which is right here. And I'm going to do this on my outer corner. Dragging it in and out. Dragging it. Then I'm going to go in with Brownie again. And I'm going to put a little bit here, brush. And I'm going to go in into Glam, which is this one right here. Go ahead and apply it here. So since it's a quick look, I can either leave it as is, or I can put a little bit of eyeliner. That's it. It's a little bit of eyeliner in the inner bottom corners, or you can do it a little bit of eyeliner at the top. Okay guys, so after doing my eyeshadow and cleaning it up, I'm going to get my mascara. This is the Super Lash Apple by Apple mascara. It's a mascara para las pestañas, so basically for your eyelashes. It's a Mexican brand from what I know. But this is like really good, guys. Like if you find one of these, really good. So it looks like this. Just clean it up like that. Now, if you don't have an eyelash curler and you're like ready to leave, like you have to go now, you just go ahead and that's it, guys. So guys, that's it. This concludes my video. This is my simple look that I did today. And simple, I mean like you have to get out of your house like now, like in 15 minutes tops. Like I said, a little bit of concealer, a little bit of blush, a little bit of contour. If you don't want to contour, just do the blush to concealer, your eyebrows, your eyeshadow, and mascara. And lip gloss or lip balm, or even if you want your lipstick. And then you can go to your lunch, to your interview, to your dinner, whatever it is that you're going to. You don't have to be super fancy with your looks. It depends on how you feel. If you want to go all out, go all out. If you don't have the time to do so, just do what you can with your makeup. And like you see, I didn't put the eyelashes, the fake eyelashes. I have just the mascara on. So if you have an eyelash curler, go ahead and use that because it curls them better. And then you apply your mascara. Don't do the opposite because you can literally chop your eyelashes off. Yeah. But that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys stay good and safe. And thank you again for watching this quick video. And I hope you enjoyed it. And go ahead and check out my rest of the videos. Subscribe, like this video. And see you later, guys. Bye.